In this video, we will learn how to use Xlookup with two dimension in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here the data, some product name and monthly sales. Here you see the product name, month and amount. We want to calculate here the amount as per the product name and month. So I'm using here the Xlookup to find out the amount as per the product and month. So I'm using here the Xlookup, tap lookup value, product, comma, lookup array is a product column. Then return array. Return array means output. What you want here, the output. So we want here the output amount. So I'm select here the all amount for return array. So I close this bracket. Here you see all detail show here. So I'm using here, I want only one amount as per the product and month. So as per the product, you show here the all details of laptop. See, right? And now I'm add in this formula again the Xlookup, tab lookup value month, comma lookup array month row and comma and end bracket close and just enter. That's it. Here you see laptop in Jan month 10,000. If you change here the product, then the amount will be changed. AC in Jan month 2300. If I change here month March, AC in March 54,000. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.